cosmic secrets revealed. Beyond time, beyond space, beyond imagination.
In the infinite darkness of the universe, there's a place so vast and so empty that astronomers call it the Great Nothing. This is the Boötes Void, a cosmic mystery that challenges our very understanding of existence itself. Imagine looking up at the night sky, filled with countless stars, galaxies, and nebulae. Now imagine a region so immense that if our Milky Way galaxy were at its center, we wouldn't have even known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. That's the scale of the emptiness we're talking about. It's a profound silence in the cosmic orchestra, a blank page in the story of the universe. What could create such a colossal emptiness? Join us as we journey into the heart of this cosmic enigma. Located about 700 million light-years from Earth, in the direction of the constellation Boötes, lies this gigantic, almost spherical region of space. When we say gigantic, it's hard to truly comprehend the scale. The Boötes Void spans nearly 330 million light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, our own Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light-years across. You could fit thousands of galaxies like ours side by side across this void. It represents about 0.27% of the diameter of the entire observable universe, which is a staggering figure for a single, seemingly empty patch of space. And yet, inside this enormous volume, almost nothing exists. It's a cosmic desert, a place where the fundamental building blocks of the cosmos appear to be missing. If you were to travel through it, you would journey for millions of years without encountering a single major galaxy. This profound emptiness is what makes the Boötes Void one of the most fascinating and unsettling discoveries in modern astronomy. So, how did we even find this great nothing? The discovery was made back in 1981 by a team of astronomers: Robert Kirshner, Augustus Umler Jr., Paul Schechter, and Stephen Schechtman. They were conducting a survey of galaxies, mapping their positions in the cosmos. As they scanned this particular region of deep space, they noticed something incredibly strange: an enormous dark patch where their instruments detected no visible galaxies. It was as if someone had taken a giant cosmic eraser to a slice of the universe. Initially, they might have thought it was an observational error, a fluke in the data. But further analysis and more detailed surveys confirmed their initial findings. The Boötes Void was real. Later studies revealed that it wasn't completely empty. Scientists have since identified about 60 galaxies scattered within this vast expanse. But here's the kicker. Based on the average density of galaxies in the universe, a space this size should contain thousands, perhaps even tens of thousands of galaxies. Finding only 60 is like surveying the entire continent of North America and finding only a handful of small villages. Where did everything else go? This discovery didn't just add a new object to our celestial maps. It posed a fundamental question about the very structure of the cosmos. To understand why the Boötes Void is so strange, we need to talk about the large-scale structure of the universe. Think of it like a giant, intricate spider web, often called the cosmic web. In this model, galaxies aren't just scattered randomly through space. They tend to clump together, forming long, thread-like structures called filaments. Where these filaments intersect, you get massive clusters of galaxies, like bustling cosmic cities. Between these filaments are relatively empty regions known as voids. So finding a void isn't unusual in itself. They are a natural and expected part of the universe's structure. But the Boötes Void is on a whole different level. It is far, far larger and far, far emptier than what our standard models of cosmic evolution would predict. It's an anomaly, an outlier. If a typical void is like a quiet rural county, the Boötes Void is like finding a hole the size of an entire country, almost completely devoid of people. This extreme emptiness challenges our understanding of how the cosmic web formed and evolved over billions of years. How could such a massive region remain so barren while the rest of the universe was busy building galaxies and stars? This cosmic puzzle has led to several scientific theories, each trying to explain the origin of this colossal emptiness. One of the leading ideas is that the Boötes Void isn't one single void, but rather the result of several smaller voids merging together over cosmic time. Imagine a collection of soap bubbles in a sink. Over time, the smaller bubbles coalesce to form larger and larger ones. In a similar way, as the universe expanded, smaller empty regions might have merged, pushing the sparse matter to their edges and creating the supervoid we see today. This theory fits well within our current understanding of cosmology. Another possibility relates to the very early universe, during a period called cosmic inflation. Tiny quantum fluctuations in the primordial universe were stretched to astronomical scales. Perhaps an unusually large negative density fluctuation occurred in this region, creating a seed for a massive void that grew as the universe expanded. But even with these explanations, the sheer scale of the Boötes Void pushes the limits of what these models can comfortably explain. Some scientists wonder if there's something more, a piece of the cosmic puzzle we haven't found yet. And when scientific models are pushed to their limits, it opens the door to more speculative, mysterious theories. While these are not mainstream science, they are fascinating to consider. Some have speculated that the void could be a sign of cosmic expansion anomalies, a region where the fabric of space-time itself behaves differently. Others wonder if it could be linked to the behavior of dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious components that make up most of our universe. Could an unusual concentration, or lack thereof, of dark matter have prevented galaxies from forming here? Then, there are the more imaginative science fiction-like ideas. Could the Boötes Void be the result of a Kardashev Type 3 civilization, a super-advanced society capable of harnessing the energy of an entire galaxy? Perhaps they used up all the matter and energy in this region, leaving behind an empty shell. Or maybe they created a cosmic preserve for reasons we can't fathom. Of course, there's absolutely no evidence for this, but the sheer emptiness of the Boötes Void sparks these big, imaginative questions. It reminds us that our understanding of the cosmos is still in its infancy. Beyond the mystery and speculation, studying the Boötes Void has a profound scientific impact. It serves as a unique laboratory for testing our theories about the large-scale structure of the universe. By analyzing the few galaxies that do exist within the void, astronomers can learn more about how galaxies form in low-density environments, which is very different from our own crowded galactic neighborhood. These void galaxies are often more pristine, having evolved in relative isolation without the constant gravitational interactions and mergers common in denser regions. Furthermore, the very existence of the Boötes Void provides crucial data points for cosmologists refining their models. It helps them understand the distribution of matter and dark matter, the power of dark energy driving cosmic expansion, and the initial conditions of the universe right after the Big Bang. In a way, by studying this great emptiness, we gain deeper insights into the cosmic web that connects everything we see today. The void isn't just a hole, it's a clue. The Boötes Void stands as a humbling reminder that the universe isn't just defined by what's there. The brilliant stars, the swirling galaxies, the glowing nebulae. It is also defined by what is not there. It's a testament to the fact that the cosmos is full of silence, emptiness, and profound mystery. As we continue to gaze into the darkness, we realize that for every question we answer, a dozen more emerge from the shadows. The great nothing challenges us, inspires us, and forces us to confront the vastness of our own ignorance. And sometimes, what we don't see, the silent, empty space between the stars, is far more powerful and thought-provoking than what we do. Thanks so much for joining us on this journey into the void. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the cosmos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our next exploration into the unknown. We'll see you in the next video.